Welcome to this What's New video about the hybrid cloud platform for HPE GreenLake. In this video, we will introduce you to a few new enhancements for simplifying SSO configuration and management. We have introduced a new SSO authorization method that allows administrators to manage the assignment of roles and permissions locally. This means that instead of needing to define roles and permissions as a SAML attribute, administrators can now use SAML SSO solely for user authentication on the HPE GreenLake platform. And as before, authorization can also be configured using SSO SAML response. The ability to use this local authentication enhancement or SSO SAML response-based authentication applies to both standard and MSP workspace types. Also, we have introduced an SSO configuration enhancement that applies only to managed service provider or MSP workspaces. The enhancement brings the capability to reuse the SSO configuration within an MSP workspace for its managed customer workspaces. This delivers a centralized SSO configuration point, significantly reducing the overhead associated with configuring SSO across multiple customer workspaces. Let's take a look at this new feature in a standard enterprise workspace. As before, we navigate to the Manage Workspace page and click on the Authentication tile. There is no change in how you claim a domain. Here is the new feature. We see the new Authorization Methods section. We can choose either Manage Authorization locally via the GreenLake platform, or we can choose to use the previously supported Use the SSO SAML response for session-based authorization option. Now let's look at a Managed Service Provider workspace. We again navigate to the Manage Workspace option, like previous releases, and click the Authentication tile. The process of claiming a domain remains the same in a managed service provider as it does in a standard enterprise workspace. Here we see our new enhancement in an MSP workspace. The authorization method section is exactly the same as we demonstrated in a standard enterprise workspace. You can choose local authorization or SSO SAML response-based authorization. Next, you see the new enhancement for MSPs called the Target Workspace section. This is where you can decide to apply the SSO connection to the MSP workspace and to the customer workspaces. For more information, please refer to the online documentation. Thank you for watching.